Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am gonna go ahead and show you how I organized my closet. It was a disaster. What inspired me was buying the velvet hangers, and yeah, so I ended up buying the velvet hangers, and this inspired me to organize my closet and my drawers. And if you guys are interested in seeing what I do in my closet over here, just keep on watching. Anyway, so I am going to work on this closet. That's why I'm just filming this door right now, because I'm gonna show you the real mess that I've been living in that has just got me going all crazy. So do not judge, you guys, but this is currently our closet. It is like super messy, super unorganized, clothes on the floor, clothes on the ground, carpet's not even straight. Like, this is what we have been dealing with. I don't even know what I have in this closet. This side here is my side, and then this side is my husband's side. So it has been such a struggle to keep this room clean. So what I'm going to do today is go ahead and do a whole organization. What did inspire me was the Amazon velvet hangers that I had gotten, and yeah, so I got a 12 pack of the skirt hangers and then 2 100 packs of the velvet, I believe they call it suit hangers. So they look like so, and I'm excited to use them because we need to organize our lives. We need to do this whole situation right here first. Let me start right here, and we can do the rest of the house, and I'll take you guys along with me when we do the rest of the house as well. But this is embarrassing. Like, why did I live my life like this since we bought this house? Like, why? Okay, I have a full day ahead of me because this is not going to take a few hours. This is going to take a long time. But yeah. So what I'm going to start on first is just going over everything, seeing if I worn that piece for at least a year. I mean, within the year. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and make a pile of the donation pile, and then switch out the hangers, be more organized, hopefully color coordinated, and go through all these drawers, get rid of what I haven't worn in so long, and keep what I do want, and yeah, just clean this baby up. So this is how far I've gone so far. I cleared out this area on my side. I'm gonna go through all those shoes to see what needs to be donated, and now I'm gonna start working on his side. What I'm doing is just taking everything off the hangers, throwing away all the wired and plastic hangers here, and then also putting the wired hangers in a box for now. But I'm literally taking out all of our clothes and going from there. It looks super empty, and I hate the color of this closet. closet, and now basically I'm on to his side of the closet. So it's a whole new day. This is taking longer than I thought. And yeah, I ran a lot of stuff yesterday and I'm proud of myself. Alright, so you know what? Let me just show you so far. I've gotten my stuff all organized. My shoes, the ones I didn't have boxes for. And all my other like boots and heels and all that stuff right there. I got rid of so many shoes and organized this area. I'm not sure where I want to put this picture frame thing, but got rid of a lot of clothes and jackets and sweaters, and it just looks so much better with the hangers, as you can see. So much better. Alright, let's work on the hubby side. Oh gosh, what a disaster this is. But you know what? We're gonna get it right. Okay, so right here, my husband has like a lot of beanies and stuff, so I did find this bin, and I'm gonna put it in this corner right here. So it looks nice. Hidden. Now I gotta worry about what I'm gonna do with this stuff. I obviously have to find some room to put it in these drawers. So I'm finally done. It did take me so long just to finish up this video, but check it out. It looks so much neater with all of the hangers. I try to color coordinate as much as I can with my clothes. I have everything all situated, and my jeans, my black pants, hangers look nice and neat. Yeah, everything is done. closet video, my closet organization video. If you guys like videos like this, like organization videos, I have a whole house to like organize for you guys, because I need to get my life together when it comes to organization. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon.